Welcome back. In the last episode, I reassembled the Yamaha EF2800. Before I start the machine, I'll give you a quick tour and show you some of the repairs that were made. I clean and prime the fuel tank. The paint used is a textured black. The fuel gauge is brand new. I coated the insides of the fuel tank with Pour 15. The fuel filter cup is brand new as well. That dark liquid at the bottom is contaminants. I will discard it later. That is a working control box. New parts for this component are very expensive, if you can find them. The repairs to the frame are strong and holds the generator in place. There you have it, the Yamaha EF2800. Thanks for watching. Until next time.